Hi, this is Jeff, the drinking buddy, and today we're going to make a Manhattan. So, a Manhattan is made up of only 3 ingredients: vermouth, rye whiskey, and bitters. The most important of these, in my opinion, is the vermouth. You don't want to slack on the vermouth. This is called Antica Formula Carpano. This is the vermouth to get if you want to make a good Manhattan. You can skimp a little bit on the whiskey, but not on the vermouth. So let's start with putting some ice in your shaker. Just a small handful of ice. And we're gonna have a dash of Angostura Bitters. Now a dash, you may think is 1 dash, but a dash is actually 1/5 of an ounce, and you wanna shake it 3 to 4 times. I did 4 because I really like them. And then you want 1 ounce of Sweet Vermouth. Then you want 2 ounces of Rye Whiskey. And you want to stir this. You may be wondering why you want to stir it and not shake it. You only shake drinks with juice in them. So if you're adding lemon juice or lime juice, you want to shake it to kind of froth up the juice. If it's only alcohol, like we have right here, then go ahead and stir it. It makes the drink less watered down. So after you give that a nice stir, you want to be able to strain it into your glass. I've got some nice large whiskey ice here. And you want to garnish this with a cherry. Very good. I'm Jeff, the drinking buddy, but I'm not your drinking buddy. So whether you're drinking fresh lemonade or fresh moonshine or something in between, like this delicious Manhattan, give your buddy a call, have him over. He needs to hear from you. Have a good night.